Now number 10th one. An iron girder is 4 meter long and 0.25 meter wide and 40 centimeter thick. Okay, it is given the length, breadth and height. That is, these dimensions are given of an iron girder. Okay. Achha, but the units are given not in same. Okay, the units are not same. So first we will have to convert the unit into same. Okay. Achha, next one. Find its cost at rupees 300 per meter cube. So we have to just find the total cost. Per meter cube, the cost is given rupees 300. If we find out the volume, then if we multiply that rupees per meter cube, that means 300, then we can find out the answer easily. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, okay. Now 10th one. Draw the figure properly. Acha. Here length is given. All the things are given in meter. Look, only one thing is given in centimeter. The other things are in meter. Even the volume cost also given per meter cube. So convert that centimeter into meter. Okay. So it is how much long? 4 meter long. Okay, 0.2 meter, 0.25 meter wide. And the height is given what? 6 centimeter. That means here only just convert this one, huh? 0.06
No,
meter.
ma'am.
No, ma'am, it is 40 centimeter.
Wait. Acha, yes. It is 40 centimeter given. The height 40 and length and breadth is given same to 4 meter and 0.25.
Yes, ma'am, it is same, but the 6 one is not 6. That is 40 centimeter.
40 centimeter. Now here only is equal to convert it into meter. Okay, that means
0.40
Ma'am,
meter.
0.40 meter.
meter exactly. Okay, done. Now write over there. Write all the things properly, huh? Length
Ma'am, I
in
can go
bracket.
washroom.
Go and come first, huh? Breadth in bracket write B. That one is equal to 0.25 meter and height is given. Acha, you have understood the why I am writing in bracket, denoting it by L, B and H. Then while we are finding the volume, no need to write length, breadth, the whole word. Just you can put L into B into H, okay? Understood or not?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am back.
Okay. Put the unit, huh? Here is no space. That's why I'm writing over there. Find out the answer.
Ma'am, who will
Ma'am,
say?
can I? Ma'am, can I
Wait.
say?
Wait. No, Trisha. Shourjashish. Can you say? Acha, Shinjini, Shafin, Kazi. Orthodeep, keep your camera on. Reazuddin also. Shourjashish, are you able to answer it?
Ma'am, I can say.
Ma'am, I am doing.
Acha, Shuhana, say, okay, Shourjashish, do it. Suhana.
Ma'am, the answer is 102.
102. No.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, can I? 120.
No.
Ma'am,
Just
can
take
I?
it again. Prisha,
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Zero.
my answer.
Yes, ma'am. 0.4 meter.
0.4 meter cube, not
Cube.
meter,
Cube.
okay?
Sorry, ma'am. Meter cube.
Yes, ma'am.
Meter. This one
And
is
what
correct.
Suhana was telling is the cost of iron girder per meter.
Directly, she was telling the answer. Yes, I know. Directly by multiplied by 300.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now look at this. Suhana understood beta. Acha, now you have to find the total cost. The total cost per meter cube, it is given 300. So this one will be 0.4 into 300. Rupees 300. 0.4 into. Understood or not?
Yes,
Ma'am, understood
Yes,
now.
ma'am.
Understood now.
Now what will be the answer? This one you were telling. This one is correct, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now all the students understood. Number 10.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, the questions are very
Very easy, exactly. Acha, okay. Is the screen visible to you?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes.
You stop.
it's gone.
Now,
Ma'am, you
No,
stop.
ma'am, now come.
Ma'am, now come.
now the 9th one, okay?
Ma'am, volume. We have to take
Now
out
the
the
ninth
volume.
A swimming pool is of 12 meter long, 5 meter wide, and 3 meter high. If the water in this one is very much important, huh? Give a star mark, number 9. Okay, look at this. A swimming pool. Suppose this one is the swimming pool, okay?
We have to draw, right?
Let me draw it.
We have to
You
draw
have
it.
to draw, but at first try to understand this one, huh? This one is the swimming pool of cuboid shape. It is of cuboid shape. Now look, its length is given, that is 12 meter long, 5 meter wide, and the height is given 3 meter. Okay, understood? Whatever, just it is by freehand I have drawn 12, looks less than 3 meter. Just forget about this, huh? Leave it. Now look, it is given if the water pool, if there is water in the pool up to 2 meter high. Acha, total height is how much? 3 meter. But the water is up to 2 meter. That means only up to this meter the water is there, right?
It's ma'am 1 extra.
Understood?
1 meter extra.
1 meter extra, exactly. The height is 1 meter extra. That 1 meter basically is empty. There is no water, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So suppose the pool is in this way. Look, it is of 3 meter total, but the water is up to this. Understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
This 1 meter is empty. Clear too? Now we'll have to find the volume of water. To find the volume of water, what to do? Should we take height, the whole height, 3 meter as height, or we'll take this 2 meter as height? Because volume of water means we should not take this empty part. This empty part will be taken.
No,
When we are
ma'am.
going to find out
No,
the
ma'am.
volume of
2
water.
meter.
So only we will have to take this filled portion where actually the water is there. Yes, no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So that means what to do? Look at this. we will, when we are going to find out the volume of water, then we'll have to take length same. Length as 12 meter, breadth as 5 meter, but height, we will not take this 3 meter. In place of 3 meter, we will have to take the height as 2 meter. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So now find out the, basically for this question is very much important. Okay. Students get confused while they will take 3 meter as height or 2 meter as height. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now draw the figure, everybody. Basically, if you draw the figure little bit bigger, it will be for better, huh? Acha, total just take this one as 3 meter, but just cut there. Wait, I'm drawing over there, huh? Cut there, take this one as 2 meter, okay? Understood?
How will we do that?
Just in the portion in height. This one is height, so total height is of what?
3 meter.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
no need to mention that one. In place of that, just cut over there in any one side of height, okay? Just cut in this way. So that means this portion is of 2 meter. Understood?
Okay,
or
ma'am.
not? Clear? Okay. Now this breadth is given how much? Breadth is given 5 meter. And what is the length?
12 meter.
12 meter, na? Yes. Okay. Now,
Ma'am, who will say?
acha, write the statement properly, huh? Just write length L is equal to 12 meter. I'll check the copy, huh? While you are writing the whole thing or not, I'll check. Just normal multiplication, that will not be done, okay? 5 meter. Acha, in place of height, what you will write? When the pool is filled, filled with water, its height. Understood? Height is given 2 meter. This one is clear to you, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody? Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Ma'am,
volume
clear?
of-
Ma'am, the
I am
answer
not-
I can tell.
yeah, no, Junaid, no, not you. Let me check. Mirza, Shomojit, Malik, Shomojit. Acha, that one is meter cube, huh? Now put the value. Shomojit, say the answer. Acha, okay. Mirza Miraz, you will be able to say.
Yes, ma'am. I am.
Then Mirza Miraz say.
Ma'am, I am
Very
doing
much
now.
easy. Shuhana, are you able to? Divyanka, yes. What happened?
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, can I say?
Oh.
Ma'am, please.
Yash
Ma'am,
Mondol.
please.
Subject is deaf. Can I
Say beta,
say?
yeah.
Ma'am, please. Ma'am, can I
No,
say?
Yash. Yash.
120.
120. Who will say the unit?
Absolutely correct. Yes, it
This
is
one
correct.
is correct, right, Amit Ji? Acha,
No,
okay.
not correct. That
Now-
way.
But why?
Unit is not given. He didn't
Unit is
take
not
the
given.
unit.
Acha, okay, done. Acha, now look at this. Acha, number 7 and 8 is only left.
Oh,
These are
that's
very
why.
much easy. These two will be your homework. Okay, and I am just going to explain one time. Number 7. Look, our rectangular tub is 125 centimeter long, 90 centimeter broad, and 50 centimeter high. How many cubic meter of water can it hold? Just directly find the volume. Yes? Yes, okay. Debolin, I cannot see you. Better sit properly.
Yes,
Acha,
ma'am.
now the 8th one. Find the number of bricks used to construct a wall of dimensions 7.5 meter, 3.6 meter, and 45 centimeter. The dimension of each brick is given. Acha, this one I will have to do. Number 8 I will complete on the next day. In the next day, first I will complete 8. Then I will start profit and loss. Okay.
7 as homework.
Your homework is only this 7. 7 is only your homework. Okay.
And ma'am, why not 6?
6 already done yesterday in the last.
Yes, ma'am. You have done already.
Okay, so let me check your